way down over there.
Let's go over there. Follow us, Mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you. But not on it. Good. Oh, you got a little bit on your mouth. Yuck. It's not coming off, is it? Because I don't think that's a real dandelion. It's kind of like one. That's a cool, look at that log. What's that green stuff on it?
I don't know.
You don't remember what that's called?
You tell me what it is.
Okay, I'll tell you what it is. Daddy, you want to tell her what it is?
A moss.
Moss? Green moss?
Yeah.
Green moss.
Green moss. It grows on these logs like this. Dude, that's such a cool looking log. Wow, you're balance beaming on the moss. Whoa.
Hey, Daddy, look at me. I think, hey, Daddy, I think this time we just do liquid.
White Ridge Park?
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hello, hold purple puppy.
Who will hold Purple Puppy? I think it's Alexis that's going to hold Purple Puppy because she said she wanted to bring Purple Puppy. And I said I thought we should leave her in the car. So you get to hold Purple Puppy. She's your responsibility because you decided to bring her. Oh, you found one. Whoa, that one blew really good. Except that one didn't.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you.
Here, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah. Thanks,
Here,
buddy.
Daddy. Blow that.
Whoa, nice blowing, Daddy. I think Daddy got it all off.
A pretty flower. One flower for you, Mommy.
Thank you.
And one flower for you.
Thank you.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah,
I thought I did it. Animal.
I thought I did too.
I'm pretending the animal. Fishing. Stop.
Mary's doing a very good job of staying right behind you. Good girl.
Look.
What is it?
A snake.
Did you see a snake?
Yep. It was swimming along that plant.
Wow.
And it's sleeping.
Yeah?
Over there. We can't see it.
We can't see it?
Because it's a tie-dye snake.
It's a tie-dye snake.
And its tail is a rainbow.
Wow, that sounds like a beautiful snake. What a lucky snake that is.
He's lucky when he's sleeping, but he's not lucky when he's awake.
Okay.
Ooh, it came off.
It's not?
Whoa, look. Whoa.
What'd you find?
Look.
What is it?
Look over there.
Is that moss?
What's that orange thing right there?
They look kind of like caterpillars, don't they?
But what
But
are
do you know
they?
what they are? They're seeds.
Seeds?
Yeah.
Put this back on, please.
Sure, that was a good please. You're doing so good with your please now. Proud of you.
Thank you. And thank you. Follow this, Mommy.
Okay. Did you put it in your pants? Let me see. You're funny.
You hold. I'm gonna hold Purple Puppy
Okay.
instead.
Okay, I'll hold this.
Oh, it's so bright here.
Yeah, you gonna put down your glasses?
Mommy.
Or you could just zoom through it until you get to the shade again. Should we zoom?
They're pretty hard, huh?
They're kind of rubbery.
Let's go away from that.
Okay.
And I need some more water.
You do, huh?
Good plan.
Good,
Mommy,
good
hey,
point. Come look at this. They've got little air plants. Okay, so these things right here, see them? They're air plants. That means that they don't need to sit in the soil in order to grow. So they grow on the side of this plant. and they're here. But then there's mixed in, there's those silkworm webs that we saw back at the apartments. Isn't that pretty? Isn't it just kind of pretty? Does it scare you, puppy? Why does it scare you?
Why does it scare you?
Because it's so scary because there's really right there.
Because what?
There's a fire right there.
Oh, spider webs. Are spider webs supposed to be scary because of Halloween?
Sometimes webs are spider webs and sometimes webs are a trap.
What's the last thing she's saying?
A trap?
A trap?
A trap.
A traps?
A trap.
Okay. Wow! What is that called?
Pretty.
What is that called?
This.
Spanish?
It's
just called
Spanish moss.
Spanish moss.
Whoa, look at how high up you're getting.
Look at me, Mommy.
I see you. You're super tall. You're taller than Daddy right now.
Let's get there.
Where did Daddy go?
Daddy! Where are you? I'm following the scent of the missing person's scent.
You're following his scent? Wow, you're a very powerful bloodhound dog. Did you find him? Did you find him? See if you can find him. Go, bloodhound, go. Watch out for those roots. Good job.
There he is.
You found him!
I heard your voice when I came wanting to get you. I'm being careful. Ooh.
Good job.
Missing person scent.
Then-
Look, the missing person scent.
Uh-huh.
Let's go find the missing person.
Okay.
We have to use our nose.
Yeah, we do.
And then we go turn when we find them.
I smell him. Do you smell him? Uh-oh. Where did he go?
I hear his voice.
Yeah, let's go find him. Oh boy, this is a big... Can you do it? Nice job, girlie.
There he is.
You found the missing person.
No, bloodhound.
I'm a bloodhound? Okay. I'm gonna find the missing person's scent.
Okay. Hide away from us, and then we have to call her name like this, Mara. And then she listened to us and run back. And then when she ran away, we called her back. And then when she listened to us, she began to hide. And then we called her name, Mara. And then I called her name too, Mara. And then she would listen to us. And then she'd hear her name again, Mara.
Mm-hmm.
And then she'd come running again. And then
Wow.
I came and I checked on her to see if she was okay. And she was okay.
Good.
And then I checked on you guys too.
Were we okay?
Yep. And then we drive all the way to Buffalo Wings and Wings. And then we had fun here.
We didn't have fun.
And then when I'm done talking about this, you can say, wow, that was a wonderful story out of. And Dad,
Wow, that was a wonderful
Wait,
story.
she's not done yet. I know,
I'm
right?
not done yet.
She's not done yet. Wait.
Okay, then when we were at before Wings and Wings, we had so much fun and they gave us our food and then we were so happy and then I grabbed these.
You
Now
were-
I'm done.
Oh,
Yay, that was
wow,
a
that was a
wonderful.
wonderful story.
There's no more stuff.
There's no more story.
There's no more. Is that the end of the story?
But
That was
there's
a
a
nice
real
story.
story after it.
That may be the best story I've ever heard.
I think it might be.